Hi everybody, in this video we are going to be doing the Centennial Connector Trail of Prince George. We'll be starting at Carter J. Gray Park and ending at Ginter's Meadow. And if you haven't already done so, it'd be much appreciated if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks! This is section 1 and 2 of the Centennial Connector Trail video. And in this video we're going to be going along the connector trail and along the green path. So we're going to try to miss out as much of the road path as possible. And I would say about 60% of the path is along major highways. Part 1 will be going from Lake Tenay Park to the Nechako River Trail. And this will be a fairly short section, and we'll put links to the other videos down below. Enjoy the video! I have divided this video into 3 sections. Here in section 1, we'll cover Carter J. Gray Park to Lake Tenay Memorial Park. So, as you can see, there's a bike. This is a shared bike road. It's not a bike lane, just shared. And this is what they call the Centennial Trail, which is quite frankly stupid. As I said, Prince George is not what I call a bike-friendly city. Anything but. Now we're coming off here, and then, not marked, but I checked it on the map, and this is the beginning of the Centennial Trail. So we'll do all the nice green stuff. A place where a post was, it was sticking up. I mean, if you weren't careful, it was slightly dark, you could have easily hit that post. Yeah. Looks like there was a bridge across there at one stage. This is actually floodplain. Oh, this is nice. Tree roots make a really bumpy ride. I think last time I rode here was on a road bike, and it's not very suitable for road bikes. I think I would like to get myself a Gazelle 10. They're a very nice bike. They've got 10 speed on the back. And that means a Shimano Diora, same as what I got on this bike, which is really nice. A nice gear set. So I've got a Shimano Diora on here. It's a mountain bike gear set in the back, 10 speed. It's really, really nice. I know last time in fall I actually had to walk it part of that section. I couldn't make that hill in fall. So I think I've come a bit stronger. Got a bit of a lookout here. Yeah, hi everybody. So I'm on this last lake, which is really nice. Climbed the hills, and a bit surprised I actually made it. Didn't even have to walk the bike, climbed it all the way. And I think I'll show you a bit of the pond here. So there, this is really cool, this pond. This is a duck pond, and this is really nice. So I thought I'd give you a nice view. There's this lovely lookout here, which is really great. This is quite steep. This trail does cross some major roads, but that was the last major road we have to cross. The ubiquitous bear sign! Bear! This is actually one of the prettier sections right here. This used to be, seaplanes used to land here. Okay, everybody, we're coming on to the bridge into that, takes us onto Lake Tenay Park. And this used to be many years ago, God knows how long, probably in the 30s, they used to land water planes around here. So I guess they used to do it down there. But here's a good view of the Fraser River. Enjoying the main park. There we go. And we've all seen this before from just the last videos. There's a good view of the Fraser River. I'll get that in this video. There we go. In section 2, we'll be going from Lake Tenay Memorial Park to the end of the Nechako River Trail. This video will be an abridged edition of the Nechako River Trails Parts 1 and 2, and the links are down below. So this is a good view of the Fraser. I'm trying to get one where we can get a good view of Goat Island. And there's Goat Island over there, straight ahead. And there's the Yellowhead Bridge and the C&R Rail Bridge behind there. And we walked out there last winter. So we walked out to Goat Island. Can't walk out there at the moment for some reason. Not sure why. I'll put a link to our Goat Island video below. And this is the thing up the Centennial Lake Trail loop. And this is officially mile 0 is right here. Kilometer 0. Didn't even know that was here to us now. But yeah. This is looking down. It's a bit of a drop. There's the Yellowhead. For a detailed look of Lake Tenay Memorial Park, see Part 1 in the link below. In front of us is the Yellowhead Highway Bridge, which we will be going under. There's a good picture of Goat Island. It's about as close as we can get to it. There's, of course, the Yellowhead Bridge, Highway Bridge. And you can see just through the trees there is the C&R Rail Bridge. So we saw a lot of that in winter. As I said, last winter we walked right out to there. Here we're going underneath the C&R Railway Bridge. This is still paved, it's nice. Smooth. Here we're entering Cottonwood Island Park. Yeah, here's more of Cottonwood Island Park. If you want to see more, please visit the Nechako River Trail Part 1 in the link below. Yeah, there's that cool tree. I think that tree right here, see here is really cool. It looks really awesome. Yeah, just want to grab that. It's like, this just looks cool. I guess it's a giant stump. We're going coming up to the replica trestle bridge here. This is a replica of the second Cameron Street Bridge. That was a rail bridge, rail/car bridge, one-way bridge. They originally wanted to keep it, but to use it as a pedestrian bridge, but they decided it was too expensive, so they did build this bridge here as a replica. So, give you, it's cool. I think it'd be cool to put the other one. Actually, it's nice because there's actually water here, which is pretty rare. Anyway, and squirrels. Lots of squirrels on this bridge. We're now leaving Cottonwood Island Park. This section is from the Nechako River Trail Part 2. And you can see how much its bank's been deteriorated. This section of the Nechako River Trail is usually closed during spring due to flooding of the Nechako River. See how much the bank's dropped away? All this is gone. And that's got those reinforcements. Piling's totally gone. This whole path's flooded. If you want to see more of this very interesting section of the Nechako River Trail, please visit the Nechako River Trail Part 2 in the link below. It's quite impressive. You can see the drainage is not working. We're right next to the highway here. You can see all that's all gone. The path used to go straight out here. Used to go out there. It's all gone. I'm going to walk this section. We'll see how far away. This is the old path. There's the new path way up there. And the old path used to go right down along the water here. They blocked this off. As you can see, a lot of the path is already subsiding. Very uneven. Wow, that's cool. Oh yeah. Well, you could actually make it. Because it comes down here, but it's pretty rough. As you can see, it does join up to the new path, but it's really rough and uneven. The connector trail leaves the river trail right here and goes up this really steep part. So, and it goes way up here. So this is really steep. This is the end of part 1. We've done section 1 and 2, and I'm going to show you what most of the connector trail, about 60% of the connector trail, and there isn't any green part until we get to part 2, Moore's Meadow. But it's like this, and this is the connector trail here. That's the Cameron Street Bridge, and that's down there is where we ended the river trail. So it goes there. That's the end of the river trail, the parking lot. I want to say thank you to everyone for watching this video. And guess what? Red Shirt Stickman will have his own set of short videos. I will try to put these up in between my normal videos. Stay tuned for the misadventures of Red Shirt Stickman. Bye! In part 2, we'll be showing section 3, and this will be Moores and Ginter's Meadow. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!